Hello children, in this video we are going to study value education lesson number 1, a day without rules. Children, rules means what? Children, rule is a statement which tells people what they should do in order to achieve success or a benefit of some kind. So children, now, children, there are many rules that we have to follow. In school, we have to keep silence, we have to behave properly, then we have to be obedient, we have to be sincere in studies, we have to do our regular homework, and the list never ends. So, children, what we feel rule as? We feel rule bind us and don't let us do what we want to. But children, however, rule help us to do right thing at a right time. Here, in this lesson, the student of class 4th A learned that rules are very necessary in our life in a funny way and learned a lesson that they should respect rules. Now children, let's go through the lesson. A student of class 4th A of Happy International School reached their classroom as usual. Little did they know that this was going to be a day of big learning for them. So children, as daily routine, the students of Happy International School reached their classroom as usual. Only the thing they knew was that they are going to learn something big today. All the children settled down in their seats after assembly and were waiting for Miss Puri, their class teacher. They were all excited. Why, children? Because they were thinking that something new they are going to learn today, and after this assembly, they settled down in their own seats and were waiting for their class teacher, Miss Puri, to come to their class. Radhika and Karan were discussing the movie they watched last evening in a hushed tone. Viren and Rajan were busy finishing the homework they were supposed to submit today. It was a very normal morning. Now, children, how does your day begin in school? Our day begin in school with assembly. Then entered Miss Puri. She was a strict teacher who wanted her children to be disciplined. Underline this discipline word, children. Meaning of discipline is to show a controlled form of behavior. We should not behave like anything, but showing a controlled form of behavior is the meaning of disciplined. And she was very strict teacher and wanted her children to be disciplined and follow the class rules set by her. The class rules were written on the chart and were displayed on the board for the children's convenience. Children, again underline this displayed and convenience. Meaning of display is the information is shown on the board to show the information, and convenience is benefit. Okay children? Now children, she had a broad smile on her face then, and she's telling that I have an announcement for you all, she said in a composed tone. Now here children, underline this composed. Meaning of composed is to, here downside it is given children to keep feelings and expressions under control. Now children, she added, today is going to be a fun day for you all. You need not follow any class rules today. No teacher will come and tell you to behave or stop talking. You can do what you want. Eat, play, read, study, don't study. Do what you feel like. There are no rules to follow today. Children, underline this behave and follow here. Meaning of behave is to act oneself in a pacified way, and the meaning of follow is to move behind. Okay, children. So, in this way, she made an announcement that today is going to be a fun day for all of them, as they are not supposed to follow any class rules. No teacher will come. No one will tell you to behave well or to not to talk. They are ready to do whatever they like eating, playing, reading. Okay, children. So, there are no rules to be followed today. Now, children, hearing this, the students were not ready to believe their ears. They were, there was sudden excitement in the class. Half of the students just stared at Miss Puri in disbelief. Was it actually true or were they dreaming? They were not ready to believe this, that, and then what they did, they just stared at Miss Puri in disbelief. Now, children, to stare means to look. Just continuously looked at Miss Puri in disbelief means not ready to accept. Okay, children? Now, children, you have to list 3 class rules that you follow. What are the class rules, children? We should keep silence in class. We should throw waste paper and pencil shapes in dustbin. We should be attentive in class when teacher is teaching. Then what happened, children? See at the picture. In the picture you will see the day without rule. How is the classroom, children? Then see the next 2 hours were the total chaos in the class. The boys were busy running from one end to the other. They started playing catch using a ball made up of crushed paper. While doing so, Viren fell and hurt himself. He stopped playing and sat on his desk as his leg was hurting. Then what happened, children? Meanwhile, some children were eating their tiffins in class. As the result, the classroom was full of food smell. The classroom was looking filthy because some of the students were too lazy to go throw the pencil shavings and other waste into the dustbin. Underline the word filthy, children. It is the meaning of filthy is disgustingly dirty or dirty. The classroom was looking dirty because some of the students were too lazy to go through the pencil shavings and other waste into the dustbin. Then, children, but there were some students who were sincere enough. They were trying to keep the classroom clean and try to remind their friends not to make too much noise or run around. But do you think the one who were having fun heard them? Some of the students wanted to finish their pending work but could not do so because the teacher were not there to help them. All in all, there was total chaos. Now, children, what is the meaning of chaos? The meaning, all in all, there was total confusion. The meaning of this is confusion. At the end of the day, then Miss Puri came back to the classroom. Her entry to the room brought an instant change in the students. Within seconds, everyone was there on their seats. There was a smile on Miss Puri's face. She asked, So is all well in this class? Did you people enjoy your day? She asked them if they would like each day to be like this. She was asking them that do you want each day like this to be like this? And their response brought a broad smile to Miss Puri's face. What happened, children, when she asked them that do you want each day to be like this? Then all of them replied in the negative unison. Underline this word unison, children. All of them replied simultaneously, saying no. Miss Puri question triggered a trial of complaint. Then children, ma'am, see how the complaints are coming now. Triggered a trial means the complaints are coming one after the other. Ma'am, I got hurt because Rajat pushed me, said Viren. Ma'am, I feel like puking with all the smell in the room, said Mishti. Ma'am, see how fleety the class looks. Puking means children to feel like vomiting. Now see how the complaints are coming. Ma'am, I could not finish my work as I don't understand how to multiply two-digit numbers, said Karan, almost in tears. Ma'am, I don't want to sit with Vidit. He pushed me and threw my bag down, complained Ayan. Oh, there was an endless list of complaints, and Miss Puri patiently heard them all out without reacting. She asked them if they had all these problems on normal days too. They all said they did not face any such problems on normal days as they followed what the teacher said and the rules set for the classroom. In normal days, they do not face all such problems, but because they follow the rules set for the classroom and they obey what class teachers say. Now, children, is there any class rule you don't like? What will be the result if the rule is not followed? Children, what is the rule that you don't like? You have to write that. Here I have written, I don't like the rule to sit in one place only because I like to roam in the class. Miss Puri said, that's why we have the class rules in place and it's important to abide by them and respect them. Abide them means what, children? To act according them. Then it's these rules that help us to keep us safe, get along and work together and learn new things, isn't it? What are the benefits of rules, children? It keeps us safe, get along and work together and we can learn new things. These are the benefits, or these are why the rules are helpful. These are the benefits of the rules. What? They keep us safe, get along, work together and learn new things. Now children, where else do you think is it important to follow the rules and respect them? Asked Miss Puri. So where else do you think it is very important to follow the rules and respect them? Viren and Karan replied, saying we should follow traffic rules and rules set by our elders at home. Right, ma'am? Miss Puri appreciated their response and added that we as a good citizen should respect rules set by the government and the traffic rules. It will help us to live together in the society in harmony with others. Harmony means peace, and make life so much easier and happier for all of us. All students agreed to it and promised to abide by the rules and respect them always in future. They had learned the importance of rules in their life, but in such an extraordinary way. Wasn't it a smart way of teaching? We all thank Miss Puri for such a lovely lesson. Now children, what do we learn from this lesson? We learn from this lesson that respecting rules. We should respect rules. In the story, when the students were allowed to do what they wanted without any rules to follow, they were full of complaints. This helped them understand the importance of rules in their lives. Some rules, such as obeying elders, not beating anyone, not harming pets, and not spoiling public property, help us differentiate between right and wrong behavior. Okay, children, obeying elders, not beating anyone, not harming pets, and not spoiling public property tell us what is right and wrong behavior. And other rules, such as you should fold your blanket after waking up, you should always do your own work, children. You should not leave your room messy. You should fold your blanket after waking up. You should help with chores, or you should return home by 7 p.m. Assign responsibilities to us. It is important that we should respect and follow rules. They are for our benefits. Imagine what would happen if people would not follow rules. What if your school bus arrives late every day? Or what if your friends doesn't follow rules while playing a game? Or what if people did not follow traffic lights while when driving on the road? Just imagine, children, if all of these things happened and if we do not follow rules in our life, then what type of life we are going to live. Just imagine of it. Okay, children. Now, children, with this we have completed lesson number 1 of value education. But the lesson we have learned from this lesson is respecting rules, or we should always respect rules. Rather respecting, we should follow rules. Okay, children. Till then, now, children, in the next video we will see next second lesson. Till then, bye, children. Have a nice time.